Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today I'm bringing you another Lowkey brand unboxing. Today we got SocietyIsNonsense, and I think it's from Pennsylvania. I ordered a pair of joggers. We're gonna check it out right now. I was actually really excited for these because I do need a new pair of joggers, and I saw these and I was like, you know what? Why not? I'm actually wearing my own company's joggers right now. If you guys didn't know, pretty much anything I wear in my videos is either underground streetwear, brands I really like, or my brand itself. If you want to go check out my brand, links right there. Go check it out, www.hybridclothing.co/shop. Go there. We're doing a revamp soon, so you're gonna love it. Also, go be a G. Go follow my Instagram account. We're almost at 10K on my account, and then I think the hybrid account's almost at 1,000. So HybridJosh and Hybrid Studios US, go follow those. I do appreciate it. Obviously, links to the company's websites will be in my bio down below, and the description will also have this stuff. So go check it out. Go check them out. We're gonna check these joggers out right now. They feel very soft. I don't even know what brand these are, to be honest. But you got this nice little screen print right here, SIN. And I don't know what brand the joggers are. I know what brand this company is. I just don't know the joggers itself. It's very good quality. You can tell they sewed on just normal patches. And I want to say that this is embroidery slash patch. It's almost definitely a patch, I feel like. But regardless, this is a very cool piece right here. We're gonna get it up close. Nothing else too crazy. You just got right there the N, SocietyIsNonsense, and then on the bottom, SIN. Kind of goes good with the shirt I got on right now, but we're gonna get a close-up right about now. Alright guys, so here we go, right up against the joggers. You can tell it's a very nice quality pair of joggers too. They're like jogger sweats almost. I want to say the bottom down here is actually reflective. You can kind of tell in the light. SIN. I think it's a really cool little concept for a pair of joggers, and it wasn't too much. So I was like, I might as well add another pair to my collection. Get some red in there just so then I could match my red joggers with anything I wear that's red. That's actually what I have on right now. Our Envision joggers that are not out yet. But we're going to try these on. Give us 1 second. I'm excited. Let's get it. Alright guys, so upon trying them on, I'm not gonna lie, they feel very comfortable. You could just wear these out casually. And it definitely feels like a little bit of a patch right here after putting it in my pocket, putting my hand in my pocket. So, I don't know. What do you guys think of this? I think these are pretty fire. They're just nice, simple, you know, black. It's nothing too crazy. Black and red, and then you got some reflective at the bottom. I will definitely be rocking these with like a pair of red shoes. I got the Damien 6s right there, the Damien 4s I mean. Damien 6s right next to it, but I definitely have some red shoes. I also got the Tribe Called Quest Vans right down there as well. That would go good with it. So pretty much red, black, reflective, I want to say. Super dope. Go check it out. Link will be in the bio down below. And as always, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought about this brand. Go check out my brand. Let me know what you guys thought about the video. There will be more videos like this that keep coming out. They just keep going. So many underground brands we have to review with so many products. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and we're out. See ya.